how to add or remove children from the waitlist. Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to transfer children to your waitlist effectively. When a child registers online for a full program, they will automatically be added to the waitlist. However, if there was space in the program as of their requested start date, their application will initially appear in the Onboarding Enrollment tab on your dashboard. To transfer them to the waitlist instead, simply locate their entry, navigate to the far right, and click Waitlist. You'll notice the child is now removed from the Onboarding Enrollment tab and appears in the waitlist. If you wish to move them back, just go to the Waitlist tab and click Enroll to return them to the Onboarding Enrollment section. Once enrolled, they will vanish from the waitlist and reappear with a pending status in the Onboarding Enrollment tab. Another way to move them to the waitlist is to open the child's profile, select the Registration tab, and locate their pending registration. Here, you have the option to place the registration on the waitlist instead of processing it for enrollment. Select Waitlist Registration, and the child will shift from the Onboarding Enrollment tab to the Waitlist tab. Thank you for watching, and happy managing!